Alright guys, welcome to LT's Cruising Adventures. We are here on Independence of the Seas, War Caribbean's Freedom class ship, and we are actually in a panoramic cabin, as you can see on deck 12, 1822. So we're going to give you a little room tour here. Again, 1822 on War Caribbean's Independence of the Seas.
24. 22 locations. We're right there.
As you guys can see, it is Spacious. Is one of the newest ones that was added during the refurbishment of Independence of the Seas. So when you first come in, you got your hallway here, and your digital thermometer right here. Of course, you got closet space here over to the left. So you open it up, give you an idea how big it is. Got two little carry-on luggages there, and then of course you got an oversized bag there. You got your life vest on the top. All right. So you got a whole bunch of storage room, as you can see. Extra comforters and pillows there. Of course, you got your master switch here, and of course that's going to be for the power throughout the whole room. So you turn that off right here. Turns everything off. Turn it back on. There you go. All right, so moving to the bathroom here, you got a full-size mirror, of course, top to bottom. All right. So this is the capsule version that came with the Freedom class ships. So as you can see, it goes halfway through, and of course, closes up. There you go. And of course, your sink area. You do have a little bit of storage area towards the bottom. And of course, you got some cubbies here. Of course, we're still ready for one more bag with our toiletries. And of course, that'll have everything that we need so we can put in those cubbies. When you do come in these bathrooms, just make sure, guys, you watch your step, because there is an incline there. All right, moving on. Got a sofa here. I'm not sure if this converts to a king or queen size bed, but of course we got your powder area, your vanity, and of course some more storage area. You do have a safe here. Of course, the safe is keep the most important stuff in there, but not big enough for a laptop. More storage area. We do have a cooler. And of course, you are allotted 2 bottles of 750 milliliter of wine. You can bring that 2 per cabin. Highly suggest going to Publix. There's one right here in downtown Miami, as we are actually docked, here in Port Miami. And again, some more storage area. And you have more storage room. You do have a hair dryer. They are self-closing too, guys. So as you can see, when you close it, you don't got to worry about slamming drawers. Close up that one, I guess. All right. Flat screen TV. It does swivel out. You can see, everyone always asks us what the connections are in the back. I'll show you. So you do have a USB connector, an HDMI 1. Then you do have your AV ports, HDMI 2, audio out, and of course your optical cables if you want to do that. So again, it does swivel out, left to right. Put that in. All right, guys. So what makes this room very unique is the floor to ceiling windows. As you can see, we got this in a royal up bid. We started off in an interior room. We got this actually for a very good bid. And of course, this was added on top of the ship. So we are actually literally above the bridge. Of course, we got downtown Miami in the background. And of course, we are on the starboard side, so all this here would be ocean view. Some rooms in this category does face forward over in the helicopter pad. And of course, those rooms have limitations as to closing your blinds at night because it does interfere in the vision of the bridge. So keep that in mind when you're booking your room. Of course, this is on the starboard side. Other than that, guys, you guys got two little, I guess, vanity drawers here. Of course, you have your lamps, and of course, what a lot of people don't know, in the back of these phones or on the side, there's actually a USB connector, because we all know that we're limited on what we can plug in, which brings me to this port right here. 2 US plugs, 1 European, and of course, you got a data port there if you wish. Now, some ships, they actually have one on the bottom, which there's none on this one. All right, other than that, guys, my name is Luis. I am coming to you from here in the Independence of the Seas, and we are here for 5 nights headed to Jamaica. As you can see, it's January 24th. Not 24th, to 15th, I'm sorry. Long day, long drinks. But we are here on Independence of the Seas, January 15th, 2024. Follow us on social media platforms. We got Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Until then, guys, as always, take it easy.